Welcome to this short video on getting started with the next generation trading platform. When you first download the platform, you'll get a number of questions to help you customize your platform. The first is whether or not you'd like a dark or a light theme platform. I will start with a dark theme. The second is that you get to choose your layout type, so you can decide between a fixed layout where the windows will automatically resize to fit the browser space, or you can choose a floating layout where you can further customize your platform. Initially, we suggest going with a fixed layout to create a much cleaner look. The next question asks about the preferred asset classes that you're interested in trading. You'll have a range of popular products, but you can also add additional watch lists based on indices, commodities, currencies, cryptocurrencies and shares. So add the ones that you're interested in and then click on Done. Now you're ready to start trading. When you first land on the platform, this will be your default layout. It will have a range of product options in the top left of screen, such as your product library and the watch list that you chose when you first went through the welcome tour. On the right hand side of the screen you've got a chart, and at the bottom of the screen you've got your positions, orders, price alerts, execution blotter and history tab. In the top right you have your account balance, so you show your real-time account balance and any cash, profit and total margin that's currently on your account. You can add up to 10 different layouts. To do this, you can click on the plus button at the top of the screen. Here you can choose between either a fixed or a floating layout, and then choose from a range of default layout options such as multi-chart, trade signals, or you can customize it completely from scratch by clicking on the custom button. You can also go out to layout settings, and then you can change yourself from the dark theme to the light theme. There are a host of features you can access using the menu at the top of the screen. You can access the product library, your watch lists, your account details, any news and analysis tools such as Reuters News, the market calendar, CMC TV. You've also got access to an extensive range of learn tools such as your quick start guide, a welcome tour, platform tour videos and trading strategy videos, as well as your settings, so you can customize your order settings, your account settings and notifications such as price alerts and price mover alerts sent by our analysts. You can search for products in a number of different ways, but firstly we'll look at the product library. The product library gives you access to the world's financial markets such as commodities, currencies, indices, shares and treasuries. By selecting the filter, it will give you a full list of those products available. You can sort this further by subtype, such as agriculture, livestock, precious metals, or you can sort by performance. The alternative way for a search for a product is to look for these search icons available throughout the platform. Click on this and then type in the product that you're interested in trading, such as the UK 100. Click on this and a chart for that product will appear on the platform. Alternatively, you can use the same thing within the tabs. If you click on the search icon, type in the product that you're after, let's say US 30, click on that, and the window that was displayed will now be changed to the US 30 product. You can also add to a watch list by clicking on the search icon with the plus button. If you click here, type in the product that you're interested in, let's say Lloyd's, type that, and that will then be added to the popular products watch list. Watch lists are a great way to analyze specific products within a market. We set up a number of predetermined watch lists for you when you first downloaded the platform. Alternatively, you can create new ones by clicking on the watch list menu item at the top of the screen. There are a host of features available to you through the watch list. By default, you'll have columns available for the low, high, open, close and percentage change for the day, as well as the current sell and buy prices. You can click on the context menu to get access to further modules such as the chart, product overview, client sentiment, Reuters News, and you can also create new price alerts or add to additional watch lists. The product overview provides details on the current trading and position limits for that product, as well as the margin rates, holding rates and trading hours for that product. You can customize your watch list in a number of different ways. Firstly, if you click on the context menu for the window in the top left hand corner,
You can then go to Edit Table and add and remove columns as you like, or you can reposition them by dragging and dropping the column up or down. Alternatively, you can resize the actual column width by just dragging the column header bar to the left and right to create more space available within the platform. Down in the bottom right of the watch list, you've got a number of different views that you can use. This is the classic table view, but you could change that to the chart grid view, the analytics view, which includes a mini trend and client sentiment, or you can click on the quote panel grid. By default, all modules on the platform are created with module linking attached. You can notice in the top right hand corner of each window there is a blue icon visible. This means that all of these windows are linked to the blue group. When you change the product in one, the other one will automatically update. So if I click on Germany 30, you can see that the chart on the right hand side has updated that to that product. Again, click on Australia 200 and the product on the right will automatically update. You can have access to 4 different module linking groups by clicking on the icons here. Our advanced charting package is one of the most popular tools on the platform. By default, it is set up as a one-day candlestick chart, but this can easily be changed to suit your own preferred trading style. To change the interval, click on this icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you can set a number of intervals as favorites for easy access later on. Here, you can change the chart type, such as scatter, spread charts, mountain, point and figure, or Heikin-Ashi. At the bottom of the screen, you'll get access to a whole range of additional tools, such as technicals. You can add in a range of overlays, such as Bollinger Bands and Ichimoku, or you can add in a range of studies, such as the MACD and RSI. If you're unsure what each of these indicators do, click on the icon here and then click on the question mark. Here we'll provide a detailed description of what that particular study or technical indicator does. Additionally, you can add in a range of different patterns to the charts. Here you've got access to some popular technical analysis tools such as triangles, wedges, channels, double bottoms, triple tops, spike bottoms, and cup and reversals. If you click on the icon, the charts will automatically scan price action and identify these patterns for you. Once you are happy with your chart setup, click on the Templates button. Then click on the Save icon to save this as your default template. Once you've done this, each chart that you open from now on will come up with these parameters. To place a trade, click on any streaming live buy or sell price within the platform. You can do this via the watch list here, or by the charts in the top right hand corner of the screen. For this example, we'll do a trade on the Australia 200 and we'll click on the buy price. The order ticket will populate with the buy price highlighted, but you can easily change between the sell and buy by clicking on the relative price. Firstly, enter the number of units you want to trade, and the order ticket will determine the amount of that particular trade. It will also show you the estimated margin that will be required to take out this position. The ticket will load by default as a market order, but you can change to a limit order or a stop entry order by clicking on this icon here. You can add stop losses and take profits by clicking these icons here. With a stop loss, you can trade either a regular stop loss, a trailing stop loss, or a guaranteed stop loss order. And again, you can change that by clicking this icon here. The order ticket allows you a number of different options. You can enter the stop loss by particular price, by a set amount of money, or you can change it to the number of points. The same is available with the take profit. Once you are happy with the trade setup, simply click on the Place Buy Market Order to place your trade. Here you get a confirmation of your trade. You'll now notice that under the Positions tab, the Australia 200 position is now live on your account. It will show you all the relevant details, including the amount, the price you bought at, the amount of margin, and your current profit and loss. To edit the trade, simply click on the row or click on the pencil icon here. This will bring up the modify trade. You can change your stop loss price and then click modify. Alternatively, you can see on the chart that your trade details are highlighted. A trade triangle will appear where you entered the trade, and then a green line and red line will signify your stop loss and take profit levels. You can edit your trade directly from the chart by clicking on the trade triangle. Simply drag and drop your take profit and stop loss levels to your new predetermined levels and then click on modify, and you've now edited your trade. Alternatively, to close out your trade, click on the X in the positions view. It will show you your current profit and loss and the amount of estimated margin that you will get back. Click on the close buy trade. You'll get a confirmation and you're now out of the trade. The platform offers you a huge range of functionality and may take you some time to learn all the different features that are available on the platform. But if you do have some questions, you can talk to us via the Live Help button available here in the Customer Hub. Simply click on Live Help. You can either give us a call or you can use the Live Help feature, which will then link you up with one of our client service team members. Well, hopefully that short video will help you understand the basics of using the next generation trading platform. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.